right, guys, we're about to finish the last welding we need to do on the 69 Roadrunner. We just have to do a little bit of fitting right here. I want to clean all that out with the Dremel, and a little bit more down the road this way. Got a little tiny bit here, a little tiny bit there. We've got her all sanded down. This piece is all fixed. We're going to finish all that up. This way it's all nice and pretty. Then sand all this down. Then tomorrow we're going to be taping this whole thing off so that we can shoot the primer on this thing and get this all in one color. I can't wait. Okay. We did the final sanding. Now we're just finishing off that, making that look pretty. Finishing sanding this. Joe will be doing that tomorrow, both sides. The other side as well. And then it's primer time! Yay! Had Joe working on this. We bought these really cheap. And there was blue paint on them. As you can see, that's shiny, that's dull. That's the first stage of cleaning. These are pretty good. They're pretty thick, probably hold 50s on them. And they're going to go on Jenny, which is the 27 Dodge Brother. All right, here we go. All right, guys. It is Tuesday. I am not awake yet. Still waking up with my coffee. We were messing around yesterday with the 27, and as you can see, the frame we bought for it's not going to fit. So I've decided to modify the other frame completely so that we can get this build on the road. So I'm working on it. Also, we're going to be trying to fit the exhaust pipes on the muffler that's here. Sorry, the muffler, listen to me. The exhaust pipe on the Cuda today, myself, because the guy is so far behind that I use that I don't know when he's going to get to it. But we've got the pipe. We've got the bender. Now we just got to figure out how to do this. I know he said to bring him the pipe once we fit it in, and he'll make the attachment on the end. We're also finishing the little bit of welding we got to do on the 69 Roadrunner. And then we're going to start putting the primer on her. Can't wait, man. All right, guys. Like and subscribe. Here we go.